What's up, guys, and welcome once again to Forex Success. Guys, this is Step Index. So I'm trading Step Index right now using the Step Index strategy. So, guys, I took my analysis from the 5 minute time frame. You can see, I'll show you the setups. Don't worry. I took my analysis from the 5 minute time frame. I told you using this strategy, you have to wait for the for the blue moving average to cross above the chart. Three conditions: the blue moving average should cross above the chart, and then the it should be at the overbought level. This blue and red line should be at the overbought level when this blue moving average cross above the chart, and the red moving average should be above the yellow moving average. Then you can place a buy. Sorry, you can place a sell. You can enter the market. That's for a sell. A sell signal, guys. The blue moving average should cross above the chart. The red moving average should be above this yellow moving average, and this blue line should be at the overbought level. That is when you can place a sell. You get that, guys? That's when you can place a sell for this strategy. Then when you can place a buy, let me look for it. Good. It's when this blue moving average crosses below the chart, and the yellow moving average being above the red moving average, and this be at the oversold level. Then you can place a buy. Guys, this strategy is very perfect. Look at my entry. Look, I entered this market as it crossed above. When I found out that all conditions are met, look, it's selling. It's still selling, guys. I'm on profit of, look, I'm on profit, $60 plus profit, guys. Making profit. So, guys, you can see we're on profit of $54 profit. So, guys, the strategy is it's awesome. It's awesome. It works massively. I told you guys the strategy works. So we're still selling. For the 5 minute time frame, that was what I used for my analysis. So I'm going to leave this market. Normally, I was supposed to leave at the level 50. You can take your profit the moment it reaches the level 50. But this time, guys, I'm taking my profit the moment this blue line touches this 20 level. I'm going to take my profit. Yes, that's what I'm going to do, because this one is about to touch. So I'm waiting for it to reach that level 50. And if you watch, all time frame are indicating same thing, because if you watch for the 30-minute time frame, it's still about to start selling. So guys, I'm just going to wait for those 5 minutes to touch this point before I take my profit. Though it gave us a doji candle, which sometimes indicates a reversal, but guys, we're still waiting. Yeah, so guys, let me show you the setups, how to set these indicators. The market is about to pull back. So guys, this time I'm going to take my profit. Yeah, let me take profit for these trades. Let me close my trade. I still have more entries to enter. Guys, don't be greedy. Take your profit, because you still have more to trade, more and more entries, so you won't have to lose the profit you've already made. Yeah, I'll wait for more setups and enter the market. So guys, this is how you can set these indicators. First of all, so guys, sorry for the slow video. I'm trying to close other trades on my other accounts. Yeah, okay, I'm done. 300 profit, $300 profit. So guys, this is what you should know. Look, it's already at the, for the 5 minute, for the 1 minute, it's already at the 20 level. So it's good that will go out of the market. You can see. So guys, this is what I want you to understand. Setting this, guys, setting this Okay, see our profit. Setting this indicator, guys, all you need is 6 indicators. The first one, guys, is the moving average. The first indicator is the moving average. You can see you set your period at period 3. The first indicator, period 3, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. The star is 3 pixel. Color, you take yellow. Then you click done. The second indicator is also moving average, period 60, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. You can see the star is 3 pixel. You can use color blue, just as you see on my screen. You click done. Then the next indicator, moving average also, period 7, the shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The star 2 pixel. You can use color red. Then you click down. The next indicator, guys, is the stochastic oscillator. You click on it, and then the K period is on 1, D period 1, the slowing 1, price feed low dash high. The method, you take simple. So the main 1 pixel, use the color of your screen. My screen is white, so I'm using white. Then the signal 1 pixel, use the color of your screen. Then the levels, guys, the levels, it's 20, 50 and 80. To add levels, click on this plus button. Look, then you descript your level. First one 20, second 50 and third 80. You click, then you go back and click done. So you can see it's done. Guys, the next indicator we need is the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku, the taken scene is 9, the Kinju scene is 26, and the circle span is 52. Guys, they've taken scene 4 pixel, as you can see, use blue. Then the Kinju scene, the Upkumo, Dankumo, and Chico span, use 1 pixel for each of them, and use the color of your screen. Then, guys, you click done. The last indicator is a moving average, period 3, shift 0, method exponential, apply to previous indicator data. The star is 3 pixel. Then you click done. Guys, you can see that you click done. So you can see it's a good thing we left the market, because it's still buying. It's going back now, guys. But when we get another opportunity again, guys, we're gonna make more money. So that's how we make money trading. Stepping this, using this powerful strategy. It works, guys. So these are how you set your indicators. So, guys, that's for the oh, guys, our levels wasn't set. Oh, okay, these are you set the levels, guys. So you select Ichimoku, click on levels 20, 50 and 80. Then you go back, then you click down. You can see that, guys, the levels are set. Okay, we still have a mistake for the indicators. It's 20. You go back, then you click done. So you can see them. You can see the levels, guys. You can see it's set. It's set. So, guys, I've told you this is how this strategy works. When you get 3 conditions to look out for using this strategy, it's 1, this blue moving average should cross above the chart. Looking for sell opportunities, guys, this blue moving average should cross above the chart. First condition. Then the second one is that it should be above the overbought level. Look at this. This is a perfect entry, guy. It's above the overbought level. It's at the overbought level. Then the third confirmation is that this red moving average should be above the yellow moving average. Guys, place yourself. The moment you check this for 5 minutes and you check it for 1 minute, it's then you can sell. Guys, that is how it works. You get that, guys? That is how it works. It's a perfect strategy. It's a very, very powerful strategy, guys. You make money from it. You make money using this strategy to trade. A very powerful strategy. So, guys, I've showed you how to place a sell. Once you see those 3 conditions, just like this, at the overbought, the blue moving average crossing above the chart, then the red above the yellow, guys, place your sell. It's going to sell. Then when you're looking for buy opportunities, this is what you should look at for. Just like this. The blue moving average crossing below the chart, the yellow above the red moving average, and at the oversold level, guys, you place a buy and it will be a buy. That's it. The strategy is a powerful strategy, guys. Powerful. You can see me using it to make profits, make money on real account. This is no demo account. This is real account, guys. You can see it on profit, using it to make profit, guys. You can see that. So that's what I'm trying to show you, guys. It's a very powerful strategy for step index. So, guys, we'll make money using this strategy. So you can see the profit I made with this account using this strategy, guys, for step index. You can see this was just yesterday. Profit $16.46, $56, $58 on step index. Total profit was $232 for yesterday, and then withdraw the $1,600. So, guys, I'm just showing you this so you know it's real. We're not faking anything here. Nobody's paying us for this. So, guys, thanks once again for watching this video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a like, and subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified for more strategy, guys. I'm going to drop a strategy for V75, a very powerful strategy that will turn your trading on V75 to a wonderful one. So thanks, guys, once again, and have a nice day.